Good morning to you. Welcome back to another vlog.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
I thought today I would vlog. It's been a long time since I did just a plain old daily vlog, just the whole day. And I need to be productive today, so I thought, you know, vlog. And then you'll do stuff. Like, I won't just sit around being on my phone. I'll like actually do it, because it'll be embarrassing to tell the vlog that I just sat there on my phone. So yeah, welcome to another day. I've gone for a bit of a like no makeup day today. Like, I just did eyebrows and I feel like my skin really needs to like breathe, and I've gone for like this slick look because I really need to wash my hair. I'm gonna have a bit of pamper evening later, shave my legs, do a little hair mask. I was gonna straighten it, but it's so heat damaged. Like, I don't think it really comes across how like heat damaged it is. So it's just gonna stay back there, and like in some angles it's kind of cute, but some I just look like an egg. But you know, we're channeling our inner Spirincincia slick bun, and hello, today it's cold enough to have a jumper on. I am layering. I'm going to show you my outfit because I've got some new trackies and there's nothing like the feel of new trackies. Admittedly, I've probably worn this outfit thousands of times, but nothing like new trackies. Oh! And I've got this little top on, which I don't know if you've seen before, that I bought that was like full length, but I cropped it because I thought that was cuter. Just got that on, and then my little crop. Woo! The first thing on my quest for a productive day is some breakfast and a cup of tea. I always feel more productive when I'm drinking a cup of tea, which sounds so weird. Maybe it's because my mum always drinks tea when she's working, but I feel more productive when I drink tea. So we'll prop you up there. This is my dinner from last night that I need to put in the bin. It was an absolutely delightful little salad. How good does that look? And I've got my ginormous cup of tea, and they are all my mask related things, so I think I'm just going to start making them. Watch some YouTube. So I've been with Jack for like 6 weeks now. I haven't really watched much YouTube, so I've got a lot to catch up on, so I'm going to just stick it on in the background and then make some masks. I'm hoping my dad doesn't come and be like, today you've got jobs, because I've got like 40 face masks to make. Sorry, Russell. I got avocado on my tracksuit bottoms. Look! Tiniest bit ever, but it's so sad. I love them. They're so soft. I've literally got another pair. I think I'm going to turn the other pair into shorts and then maybe tie-dye them. You know, like those tracksuit shorts that everyone's been wearing. They just look so comfy. And I don't really have like chilling around the house shorts that aren't like bum cheek level, you know, so if I cut some longer ones, then that sounds great to me. Maybe I'll do that later. I don't know. I don't know if I want to tie-dye them or if I want to keep them long and tie-dye them. I don't know, because I feel like tie-dye is going out of trend now, but I still like it. I think it's so cute. Baby kitten. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Hi. Morning, did I wake you up? Sorry. Being my friend when I went to Jack's, she got cross with me that I left her, and so it's taken me like a good few weeks for her to be my friend again, and now she just doesn't leave me alone. I need to go and get the ironing board for my little production line of face masks.
Bye.
I put you up against my sewing machine. I thought I'd just show you like how I make my masks in case you guys want to like have a go, in case you need like your own ones. So I always have these ones, but I use them to make ones that I can reuse. Like, I'm not going to just throw this away after one use. So I use this as sort of like a pattern. So I get my fabric. Let me just grab a bit. Like literally a piece of fabric. And then I see that this has got 3 pleats on it. So I'm not very exact. I literally just like make a little pleat by like folding the material. And then just pin it, make another pleat, pin it, pin it, pin it. And so on. So it makes like some pleats. Get an iron. I always use an iron. You can see Sophia and Chinchia in the background. And then I either sew it directly onto here, kind of like these ones, because I know they're disposable, but I just use them again. Like, I feel comfortable doing that. I've got this strawberry one, but it is covered in makeup, not gonna lie. Or you use some other fabric, just another piece of fabric, and I just put one big pleat in it so that it all like comes out, like pleats out to cover your face. And then I'll either cut the wire out, and I cut the elastics off these ones, cut the wire out and just place on the inside and do like 2 stitches here on like the other side of the fabric. Like, you can see, you really can't, like that bit is fabric, is where I sewed the metal wire in. And yeah, it's actually really easy. This way is the easiest way, because all you need is like a square bit of fabric and you just pin it to the mask and then just sew like directly onto it. So yeah, sorry if that didn't really make sense, but I thought I'd just give you a little rundown. It's nearly 2:30 and I've been doing this since like 10 o'clock this morning. So these ones are nearly done. These are for someone else. I hope that was helpful. DM me on Instagram if you want an actual good help, or if you want me to make one for you. It's a few hours later now. I finished all my masks. I got cold and Missy's sleeping on my jumper, so I put a different one on. And I'm just gonna start doing some packing for uni. I have to have boxes because I'm not allowed to move in. Like, Jack and my mum aren't allowed to help me. I have to go in the building on my own with like their team to move my stuff, so I have to have it in crates, which is so annoying because all of this stuff like here is like in bags that could be carried. Obviously this stuff isn't, but I would put it in a bag. So I'm just gonna have to start packing it into like crates and maybe go through a few of my clothes. I need to pack for Jax as well. Tomorrow he's coming to pick me up. I'm just gonna start packing my life up. It's actually so sad. I'm gonna prop you there. It's actually so sad, like I didn't want to leave my bedroom. But how cute are these? I don't know if I've shown them in a vlog before, but I made these little like white, I've got like a shelf above my toilet in my bathroom, so they're just gonna go like across the shelf. Hair, face, shower, body, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be so cute. I need to be ruthless. Like, I need to be ruthless. I need to go through this again and like take out the stuff I'm not going to use. I'm really excited. I am getting excited, but then I feel bad for getting excited because I don't want to, I don't like that I'm leaving Jack here. It's making me sad. But it's better to be excited than like nervous and not want to go, I guess. So yeah, I'm just going to go through and pack up my bits and bring you with me. Yeah, bring you with me. And just show you a few of my fave things, I suppose. A few of the things I'm bringing with me. I bought this years ago for myself. 50 things I wish I'd told you. And I think it's so cute. It's like how to change a bike tyre, how to escape a bad date, how to clean a window. All these things that like, and like life skills. My dad's not the most life skill teaching dad. And lots of things my mum's like taught me, like cooking and sewing and stuff. But some things, like practical things, I don't know. What to do if you're locked out. How to make spaghetti. Oh, this is cooking. This is so cute. How to dance the waltz. Managing your bills. I didn't realise how good this, how to keep someone alive. Major first aid. Guys, you have to go and get this book for yourself. It says Love Mum at the bottom. It's so cute. Who's it by? This is it. Please go and get this. It's honestly the cutest thing. It was $9.99. I think I got it from Waterstones. Possibly. But honestly, treat yourself. This is like, I love it. And I don't love books. When do I ever love books? Hello, it's much later. It's dark now outside. I've been shopping with Moomy to get some dinner. And the packing's going pretty well. I've got all the IKEA stuff into 2 crates and then one more's already gone upstairs. And I've packed my clothes. I've just got the rail to do because I feel like I'm not leaving for 2 weeks, so I've got all those clothes and my wardrobe clothes still to wear. Then I can fill up this bag. I just need to wrap the rest of my glasses in some clothes so that they don't smash. Because I don't want to waste like newspaper. I bought some new hangers. Sainsbury's, they're exactly the same as the one Jack's got me, so just adding to them because they were on offer. They're like £2.60 or something, so thought I'd just grab some of them. So yeah, the packing's going really well. All I'll need to do is like decorative stuff that's in my room, but I can do that the week of the moving week. I have made good progress today. I feel like I might write a list later when I'm having my little pamper evening. I think I'm gonna have dinner, what's the time? 9:15, and I'm gonna have a jacket potato, so I might go stick that in the oven now and see when we're having a pamper. Here it is, all my life, my childhood, in 3 boxes and 2 bags, and then my sexy glasses. You're gonna be like, shut up about your glasses, Lily. Hi, don't mind me, my crazy hair. Sorry about the fan, as always, we're in the bathroom. I'm just gonna quickly jump in the shower and get my hair wet so that I can pop a little hair mask on it. This is the one I'm going to go with. Hask Orchid and White Truffle for dry and damaged hair. I'm really going to try and sort out the heat damage. It's just not good. And exfoliate my legs because I'm about to shave them. And then I will catch up with you for a full-on pamper skincare routine thing and watch a bit of Netflix. Okay, I'm showered, I'm done. My hair is wet and I've scrubbed. Is it scrubbed? Yeah, I put a scrub on my legs so they're feeling all smooth, ready to be shaved. My hair is so long and really dark. I'm gonna stick this little towel around me because I don't really want it on my jumper, but I don't really want to be nude. I think this one's a bit bigger. So I'm just gonna sort of rub it in and then like whack my hair up in a bun. I hope it smells nice. I'm gonna put the whole thing on because I need all the help I can get, let's be honest. Oh my god. Oh dear, I think I got it on the floor. As long as I don't get it on my laptop, I'm fine. Oh, this feels disgusting. Okay, now let's do the other half. Ew. Don't go on my jumper. Oh, my henna's really coming off. Oh, that's really sad. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a little double cleanse with this new thing. Haven't used it before, and just my like classic Clinique cleanser. And I think I'm going to watch a bit of Netflix and let this sink in and then shave my legs. So that's the plan. Oh my gosh, cute. This is where I started the vlog. I am showered, my hair is conditioned, it's actually feeling pretty silky smooth. I'm going to give it a little brush with my Tangle Teaser, run some argan oil through it, and just leave it to like air dry, just not put any heat on it. So hoping we're on the way to getting my hair back to the way it's been. I'm going to just tone with this Clinique clarifying lotion toner thingy-mabobble and a little cotton pad, and then my simple overnight moisturizer, some Sudocreme on this big old spotty dotty and maybe on that one too, and then phone jack, go to sleep. I'm gonna write some lists in my diary, little things I need to do. I got this for my birthday and I've got my Oodie on. Oh, it's just so cozy, and look at the sleeves, they're like the cutest sleeves. So yeah, I'm really living my best life. Look at this, like this is the sexiest diary ever. Obsessed. So I'm just gonna write my lists out, talk to my boy, and yeah, that's gonna be my evening. I'm feeling very pampered, my legs are completely smooth. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Don't forget to go follow me on Insta, and I will see you next time. And subscribe and give it a like, because we need to get off 87 subscribers. It's so annoying. Bye.